The sum of digits of a two-digit number is 9. If the digits are reversed, the number is increased by 63. Find the number. Now, let's assume the two-digit number to be xy. So from the first sentence, we can have the data as x plus y is equal to 9. Now, if we reverse the digits, the number becomes yx. And it is mentioned that the number is increased by 63. Now, yx, we can write it down as 10y plus x. Now, this number is 63 more than the original number. So, the new number, that is 10y plus x, minus the original number, that is 10x plus y, is equal to 63. Now, if we simplify this, 10y minus y, that will become 9y, x minus 10x, that will become minus 9x, is equal to 63. So, we have here 9y minus 9x is equal to 63. If we divide throughout by 9, we will have y minus x is equal to 7. Now we have two equations, x plus y equal to 9. Now we can rearrange it as y plus x is equal to 9 as well. And the second equation we have is y minus x is equal to 7. Now if we add these two equations, x will get cancelled out. We have 2y is equal to 16. Therefore y is equal to 8. Therefore we can say that x is equal to 1. Now we had assumed the original number to be xy. So therefore answer will be 18, option A.